Today's video is all about the Tesla navigation. From adding a waypoint while on navigation to feeling lucky and navigating to a random place. There's so much to learn in so little time. What is up, guys? It's Chris with Everydaychris and welcome back to the episode of Quick Tips with Chris. If you've seen my other quick tips, you'll know how important it is to have an address on file on your Tesla navigation so you could do things like route to your destination faster with one swipe and do things like disable sentry mode at home so the car could go to sleep. In order to easily add your home address for the first time, simply input the address into the Tesla navigation. Then click on add address to home or to work. Now, whenever you're at home, you can simply swipe to the right or swipe down and it'll take you to work automatically. Or if you're out and about, you can do the same to swipe home. Another neat feature is if you sync your calendar from your phone, it can navigate you to that destination when you enter your car, as long as you enable automatic navigation. It can also automatically route you to work in the mornings, which is cool. Before we go further, I do want to say that Tesla does use Google Maps for the point of interest only. However, as far as traffic routing and navigation goes, it uses its own navigation. So while it may be similar to Google Maps, it may not be as accurate. This is why I usually always have my Google Maps open while I'm on a road trip. Also, while I wish Tesla had this in their vehicles, there is no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I repeat, no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto. However, overall, the Tesla navigation is pretty good. Once you input your home and work address, you should be all set. However, if you ever wanted to change the work or home address, you simply need to hold the home or work icon, and then you can either enter a new address or clear the address from the saved navigation. Once you input an address, you can easily add a favorite address by inputting the address and then clicking the waypoint icon on the right, then click the star to add that to your favorites. And while you're on navigation, you can customize things like avoiding tolls and ferries, using the HOV lanes, and changing the volume of the voice command. If you didn't know, you can also adjust the volume of the lady talking on the fly by using the scroll wheel while she's talking. Now, one thing many people wish Tesla implemented was an avoid highway button. Now, I know Tesla always tries to take the most efficient route possible, but some people just want to avoid highways, and I completely understand. However, unfortunately, there is no way to do this on the Tesla navigation. The only real way is to simply have your phone up and use Google Maps to avoid highways. Again, it's not recommended as it may not be the most efficient and it may decrease your range, but if you prefer the city streets, that would be the only way. One other way you can possibly do this, although it may be more work, is by adding a new feature that they recently added called waypoints. It's super simple to do, but after you input your final destination, you can click the three dots. And from here, you can add a stop, edit the trip, or access more settings like turning the HOV lane on or off. From this menu, you can also add a supercharger stop if you need to, or you can look to your right on the map and click the charger icon to see all the superchargers on the route. I'm so happy they added this because in the first initial version 11 update, they removed that icon, but they did bring it back. From this menu, you can also press the I'm feeling lucky button, which basically routes you to something fun or interesting where you are. The beauty with Tesla's navigation is they show you how much battery you'll have left when you arrive to your destination, and also how long you most likely need to charge for at a supercharger. I'll talk about this in more detail in another quick tip because there are a few things you need to get and prepare for if you do take your Tesla on a road trip to avoid any range anxiety. Also, a few cool features that Tesla has is the ability to send your destination from your phone to your Tesla directly. It's super simple. You just have to share the address to your Tesla. For instance, with Google Maps, you just have to go to share and then press Tesla. And lastly, you can simply hold the right scroll wheel button and tell Tesla to navigate where you want to go, and it'll pop up as well super quickly. Anyways, hope that video helped you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.